November holiday purchases. Today I'm testing some of my anti-aging skincare products. Good morning, beautiful people. This is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. Thanks for tuning in today. And hey, if you're not already a subscriber, could you please hit that little subscribe button and the bell notifications right now. On my channel, you'll find everything from makeup to meditation to fashion to anything that makes you feel more fabulous at any age. Well, the past month has been full of sales everywhere, particularly ULTA and Sephora, as well as a lot of online things. And a few of the things that I bought were what's considered anti-aging skincare. So I'm going to just do a quick review of the products I bought last month. I'm going to start with something I actually found at Marshall's. Age Vault Clinical's Plumping Collagen Ultra Lift Serum. Like I said, this was in this box at Marshall's for $5.99. So I found some really good serums from there. And this one is my second time using it. It combines a lot of the elements that I like to put on my face in the morning. The hyaluronic and the vitamin C. Retinol, the stronger retinols I reserve for night, but a little bit won't hurt to use in the morning as well, as long as you follow up with a sunscreen. Here's another thing from Marshall's I'm actually going to do under my eyes. This is Skin Lab Eye Gel. And while I normally tend to use creams on my eyes at night, I found a gel in the morning can actually have a little bit of a firming effect. So I just basically put this under my eyes and maybe a little under the brow line, and then let it dry. I didn't buy a new sunscreen this month, so I'm going to use Ella MD Broad Spectrum SPF 30 and just put this all over the face. Now I'm going to try another new product. This is Andalo Naturals Deep Wrinkle Dermal Filler. And I've used some of these wrinkle fillers before. This one, Andalo Naturals, I like this. It's an organic brand, uses fruit stem cell, and it says use AM and PM. I really will likely to use the wrinkle filler before my makeup. Again, just place it under the eyes, around the mouth. Unlike some of the other wrinkle fillers, this one does not have diamond dust or any of the reflectors. Rather, it just has natural ingredients to sort of plump the skin, fill in the lines. Let that settle, and I'm going to follow up with just a regular moisturizer and the rest of my makeup. Grown Alchemist Save Our Skin Skincare Essentials Minis Kit, $39. This is actually made in Australia. It was at the international section at ULTA. What it consisted of are these products right here. There's a serum, a toner, a cleanser, a lip mask, and a Hydra Repair Day Cream. For the most part, products were pretty good. I don't think I'm going to buy it again. One complaint was this day cream was very, very fragrant. Camellia Geranium Blossom. Okay, yeah, you could definitely smell the geranium blossom. I don't really feel like it was as hydrating or as good for my skin as some other products I've used. The lip balm, I think, is probably my favorite of the products because it's great to put on in the morning before any other lip products. It makes your lips a little bit softer, smoother. That one, I think, definitely gets the thumbs up. The serums and the cleansers, basically not really any better or any worse than most of the other products I've been using. I think I still lean a little bit towards the ordinary as far as my very favorite serums. But overall, for $39, $87 worth of product, it was a good buy. I got to try new things. I don't want to say don't buy it, but it's not my favorite. I'm probably not going to buy it again. Then another thing, there was a special mid-November at ULTA on number 7. Buy one, get one for 40% off. So I had tried the night cream before. This time I tried the Restore Renew Face and Neck Multi-Action Night Cream. I love this. It's rich and creamy. You put it on before you go to bed. At the same time, it's very hydrating and light. I put this on before going to bed at night. This I'd not tried before. This is number 7 Firming Booster Serum. And the cool thing about this, see the little rollers? You basically put a little bit of the serum here. You take the rollers and massage your face with it. So it has double action. It has sort of massaging action and a nice serum. I like this a lot. I pretty much always liked the serums I've gotten from number 7. This one is no exception. Very glad I bought this. Probably will be buying it again. And then I tried these. Skin Iceland. I had tried the regular under eye patches, but this is the dissolving microneedling patches with hyaluronic acid and peptides. What I'm wearing right now are Skin Iceland dissolving microneedle eye patches. Basically, you put these on, press them into your skin. It has like little needles. It actually says to use the Skin Iceland brightening eye serum before doing it. I didn't have that. I wound up using the hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary and the peptide serum from Peter Thomas Roth. So I'm going to leave this on tonight, and I'll let you know tomorrow just what I thought. I put that on last night. I washed my face around 7 o'clock, took all the makeup off, put them on, kept it until bedtime. I'm not one that can really sleep with a lot of patches and stuff on my face. So I had it on from about 7 to about midnight. The microneedling you push into the skin, you can feel a little bit of the needles. Overall, I felt like it did well. When I first removed them, my skin looked very smooth, a little bit plucked. The effect did not really last until morning. What I question is it worth the money? This was like $14.99 just for one use. Another option is to use just a microneedling kit with a little roller, little derma roller, and just do the roller with the very small needles and do it very lightly. You can do that again and again, once or twice a week, and get the effect. Spend $14.99 per use for this. And here's another product I bought. This was also from the international section at ULTA. This is the Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. And it's 96% snail secretion. Okay, the main problem I have with this is the ick factor. It's snail mucin. I've heard good things about it. I wanted to try it. It's rich and creamy. It feels great on my face. I put it on usually after washing my face, before my final moisturizer, after the retinol. Just put this on a little bit. Yeah, I liked it. I liked the way it makes my face feel. It did not have any weird odor or anything, but again, it's the ick factor. I'm not sure whether I'll be buying it anymore, but I am going to continue using this. I want to tell you about a couple of more items. This was another Marshall's find. $5.99, the Honest Company Prime and Perfect Mask. It says superfruits and shea butter. It seems like a sort of a clay-based mask, the texture of it. It was very, very soothing. I have used this once. There's a lot of product in here, so I'm probably going to be able to use this off and on for a year or so. I really did like this. Basically, I washed my face, dried it, patted it dry, then put this on it, let it dry for not quite 10 minutes, then rinsed it off. My skin felt soft, silky, smooth after using it. I really did like this. Thumbs up. I think this is probably still available at other drugstores and all. I found it at Marshall's for $5.99. Okay, and finally, if you've ever ordered anything from Sephora online, there's usually an option for a gift. So I want to just show you the beauty inside a bag I got when I ordered during the VIP sale. Start with, I haven't used this yet. Probably will later this week. This is the Mask Visage Lychee face mask. Haven't tried that one before. Then I got this Kiehl's dark spot solution. I tend to get dark spots more when I'm in the sun, so I'm probably I'm going to save this till I really need it. Then Valentina Donna, a fragrance sample. And I love this. This is a Lancome mascara primer, mascara base. Really nice product. This is a travel size. Definitely going to be putting that in my travel bag. We're planning a trip in a couple of weeks. This is Herbivore Blue Tansy Resurfacing Clarity Mask. This is just a single serving mask. And this is Playa Healing Hair Mask. So I'm definitely going to be trying that as well. And then finally the Clinique Moisture Surge Hydrator and KVD Locket Translucent Powder. So yeah, you get a nice little gift bag. So I'm really glad I ordered something online. I ordered the Vegamore Hair Serum, which I've been wanting to try, and I've been trying it for about a week now, so I'm going to wait until I've used it for a couple of months to give a full review on it. But when ordering that online, I got all of this in the package. So that was another really good deal, good skincare products. So these are just a few of the skincare products that I'm using right now that I purchased over the past month. If you have any ideas, anything that you've found, I'd love to hear about it. What's your favorite product for anti-aging treatments? Well, that's the video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, could you please give us a thumbs up? Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.